This here is the machine. It's a combustion engine, petrol driven, and it has the cylinder is honed hydraulic tube. The piston's a piece of aluminium. Conrods are wood. They're Jara, an Australian hardwood. The big ends, as you can see, is a roller. The small end is just a bolt, which doesn't seem to show any signs of wear. And there's a cross arm that brings the transmission from one side to the other. The heat exchanger I found there is a muffler, and the cylinder is covered with a water jacket. Here is the Model T trembler coil, which gives me the spark, a flywheel off an Exercycle, and another flywheel off a ancient handcart. The stirrup pump pumps the water through a cross arm, and everything's driven by push bike sprockets to give me the different ratios. In there is your cam. The main frame is 4x4 pine, and the inlet and exhaust valves are modified 3/4 pipe tees. So now we'll try and start it.